Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, I want to make this short little video for you in what I believe is probably going to be a really great stock over the next, say, couple of years, and probably even more, because I believe it's, one, fundamentally a really good company, and two, technical wise, is that it's probably forming a big, massive sort of head and shoulder formation, and that company is Alibaba. So Alibaba right now, guys, I actually had a short-term trade myself. So I'll show you here. My short-term trade out of Alibaba was right here. So I got in on the breakaway bar, and I did this with all my private clients as well too. So I got in on this breakaway bar after going sideways, and then this resistance up here, I knew I was probably going to get up to there somewhere. And as we started the rally, that's where I exited it right there. I didn't get the exact high, but I had that short-term move, and that gave me a 65% return on my options. So that was what's called a short-term trade. So that's what I did from there to there, right? We had a really big move to the upside, and then now we're getting a really big pullback. But this overall pullback here that we're seeing on the daily charts, we can see that this weekly chart now, if we go back to this weekly chart, look what's been happening here, right? So we're starting to form what I believe is a head and shoulder formation here, right? So you can see we had a high, lower high, all these lower highs coming down through here, lower high, another lower high. Now we had an equal high. And the really interesting thing is you can see that this $80 level as well too, this $80 level all through here is indeed a level of major support. And you can see that this was like a bit of a final low or false breakout type of low, where it actually broke below the lows. False breakout means it actually broke below the support level, and instead of continuing to run, it actually reversed and then gone back up to 120 in the markets as well too. So and now we're getting a big pullback. So to me, I really believe that this is going to be one big massive left shoulder, one big massive right shoulder, and then we have the head through here, and then we're probably likely to see something like that coming over the next I would say probably over the next couple of years. We're probably likely to see some really big growth out of Alibaba. So there we go, guys. That's a bit of a quick little update on what I believe. You could see that once I squeeze my charts up, that once we start to really break above this sort of 120 level, then that would have formed this sort of down and up. So you can see down, up, down, and back up again. So I do believe that we're probably likely to see this movement here, and then probably likely to see something like that as well.